What's happening, Food Panda? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just ordered these. They are oatmeal fruit squeezes. They come in again like these little pouches, not that big, 4.2 ounces. You know, kind of like a Capri Sun with a twist-off cap. And I got a sampler pack here, and this are the three flavors that come in this sampler pack. We have raspberry coconut, we have blueberry acai flax, and we have apple quinoa cinnamon. So I thought I would just try one of these out. And if you want to take a look at the nutritional info here, they're only 90 calories. You know, pretty small, so you wouldn't expect a lot of stuff in it. But you know, 360 milligrams of omega-3, fiber, fruit, energy, the whole 9 yards. So let's just try this one in this little Munk Pack. And I'm not even sure what it looks like, so I'm just going to twist this sucker off here. Gonna break that seal. And then I'm just going to squeeze a little in here so we can see what it looks like. And, wow, all right. To me, that looks like applesauce. And, of course, this is Apple Quinoa. I think that's how you say it. And I can tell you, you know what? It smells like applesauce. All right. So, I'm just going to give it a little taste here and see what we think of it. You know, it was funny. I took a hit of it, and I was like, this is applesauce. It's like juicy and moist, and it's pretty fluid. And so I was like, oh, it's like an applesauce pouch. But when I started to press my teeth together, I noticed I've got oatmeal flakes in there too. So you have oatmeal in there. Now I won't say it's like super heavy on oatmeal. It wasn't like you're biting it and getting those oatmeal flakes like you would with a bowl of oatmeal. They're pretty sparse in here. So it definitely tastes like applesauce primarily with a little bit of oatmeal sprinkled in. I mean, that's good. And unlike some of the other squeeze packs that I have reviewed before, this doesn't need to be accompanied by anything. Like I said, some of them are a little dry, so you would want to drink water with them. Some of them are maybe a little tart. This one is just right in the middle, very mild. The oatmeal or the applesauce portion of it is a little spicy. It has a little spice. It tastes good, but it flows nicely. It's nice and juicy, so I don't feel like I'm looking for a drink. I mean, I think this is just overall pretty nice, and 90 calorie little snack pack. I like it. I'm looking forward to trying out some of the other flavor. There I got a little more of the oatmeal. Little big chunks of oatmeal. That's nice. So it's kind of tastes a lot like applesauce, but you get a little bit more of that substance like you do in oatmeal. So nice combo. Clever product. Munk Pack oatmeal fruit squeeze. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.